This is Ice Cream Gecko, and in today's video we are going to take a look at Weetabix, something that I have personally never tried out before, but today this is finally changing. We are going to take a quick look around the box. All sorts of different languages are found on here. Whoopsie, wrong way around. Yeah, pause if you want to take a close look at any of this information, and pause if you want to take a look at the back of this. It's quite a large carton, quite a large packaging, which is why it's difficult to get everything in frame all at once. I bought this particular pack for €4.69 at my local Globus, and yeah, it's been a long time coming. I think that these things look interesting. I have never had them. I have seen them sometimes, I guess also in moving image productions. So yeah, at some point you just have to try this out for yourself. Not very cheap, I guess, $4.69 for this. I guess we don't get the raspberries and the blueberries in it. 12 portions are in here. Let's see what it is like then. Okay, this this is interesting. I didn't expect it to be wrapped like this. So we have this paper stuff here, and we've got different portion sizes. What is this? Okay, one long one and two long ones we have. So we've got 12 portions divided into two, so 6 portions per stick here. Interesting. We've got a bit of granular stuff making its way, following gravity inside this individually wrapped Weetabix stack. Sounds nice. Let's open one of these up, set this aside here like this maybe? No, like this, then you can see the wonderful presentation in this sort of, is it yogurt? Yeah, and we've got banana pieces there as well. No banana pieces for me today. Let's open up this thing. I like this packaging style. I always like it when stuff is wrapped in these paper, paper wrappers. Yeah, this might even be like actual paper, not just some sort of composite stuff like paper plus plastic plus PTFE coating inside of the whole thing. Yeah. Okay, this is looking interesting. It looks, well, it doesn't really look like something to eat. It looks like this sort of stuff they use to insulate houses, I guess. It feels like it's just paper mache pressed together. Scent-wise, it's smelling of breakfast cereal in a very mild way. There is the slightest hint of sweetness in the scent here. It's interesting. It's like nothing I've ever had before. It reminds me maybe a bit of the Energy 5, these emergency rations, but a bit more of a woody scent to this whole package. Interesting, very interesting, almost Christmassy. There is a certain, like these Christmas biscuits you get sometimes. Yeah, a certain different scent to it all. On the inside it looks very similar as well. This feels like something that is supposed to be healthy and like something that you usually don't have, but at some point it will evoke distant childhood memories, and then you want to have it again for a while, and then you have it every morning for months, or maybe just 2 weeks, and then you forget about it again until the next, I don't know, 2 years where this whole sort of phase happens again. I never had this as a kid, so I will not wake up any old memories. Let's go for a taste test of this little piece here. Well, it's a bit dry. Okay. There's less flavor in here than I thought. What does it say? I can only read you the German one, so... Whole wheat cereal with vitamins and iron. Iron. I've got whole wheat? No. Wait, whole grain wheat. I'm confused there myself. 95%. Then we have got some malt extract, barley malt extract, sugar, salt, niacin, iron sulfate, vitamin B2, vitamin B1, and ferulic acid. Is that Folsäure? Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. So it's very dry. Tastes like something that is very healthy because there's nothing in it that could possibly be bad. So let's go for another bite of this. I'm curious in how people eat this. Do you really go for the yogurt thing and put like the raspberries, the strawberries, the blueberries, and banana, lots of fresh banana slices too in it? Do you have it with milk? I think I'm just going to get a bowl of milk and put some of this stuff in there. I'll be back with you in just a second. Alright, I'm back at the desk. I've got a cup slash big mug slash small bowl with a handle, and I've got a spoon, and I've got some milk to go along with this. So let's put this and another one of these in here, and then I'm just going to pour some milk over it and hope for something to happen that makes this a bit more enjoyable. Or maybe this is just something that I have to get used to. I mean, I have to say, I sometimes like these sort of very dry cereal thingies, and this seems so bland that it's sort of charming in its own special way. I'm not saying that I don't like this. I'm just a bit surprised by the overall, I guess, blandness of it. Not quite sure about it yet, but for some reason I kind of like it. I don't know why. Maybe I'm so boring that I find this interesting. Okay, choked on it. But with the milk, it soaks it up really quickly, pretty well as well. With the milk it changes a bit. With the milk I actually like this. Still quite boring. But maybe it soaks it up a bit too well. Maybe it is better with yogurt. I don't know what to make of it yet. Other than that, maybe I do like it. But I'm not sure yet. Okay, feel free to leave me in the comment section down below your particular Weetabix serving instructions. Your Serviervorschlag. Because I don't know how to eat this, obviously. Guys, I'm going to finish this off, and I'll see you with the review sheet in just a second. Alright, the consumption process is complete, and we are ready to rate this with the review sheet. First impression wise, I am giving 1 out of 1 available point. I think scent wise it was fine, looks wise it was definitely fine as well. I really like how they packaged this in this own little paper wrapper. I like this. It feels very natural is the wrong word. It feels healthy, good, pure, but maybe I'm just weird for even saying that or thinking that. I don't know. I like it. I like it. Color-wise, also pretty similar to what it looked like on the box, and overall pretty decent. Consistency and texture-wise, I'm giving 1 out of 2 available points. It is very dry. It soaks up the milk, or I guess any sort of liquid. It soaks it up very quickly and disintegrates completely. Maybe it's supposed to do that. Maybe it's a bit weird. I'm not quite sure about it yet, so I'm giving it half points here because I kind of like the dryness of it, and I sort of like the texture when it's in the milk. But I'm unsure about the whole thing. Flavor-wise, I'm giving 2 out of 5 available points because there really isn't much to it at all. It's a bit bland. It feels a bit like, I don't know, cardboard or the stuff that you use in construction, but without the unhealthy glue sort of stuff mixed into it. I guess it would make for great insulation as long as you keep it very dry. Overall, not much more than a 2 out of 5 though, because there's not much to it. Not nothing, but not much. It's not bad though. I don't mean this in the worst of ways. Maybe I should give this a 3 out of 5, but I'm sticking to the 2 for now. Themalization-wise, I'm giving 1 out of 1 available point, because I guess they did what they, I guess, said on the box. It's just wheat grain cereal stuff with not much more in it that you can actually taste. Therefore, full points in that regard. 6 out of 10 is therefore the final rating for the Weetabix. I don't know if there are different, like, regular Weetabix thingies. I've seen in the shop that they have got Weetabix small sort of circles, or like coin size, but more like a 5-cent coin thing with chocolate pieces on it. I'm not sure what that is like, if it's like this, just in a different form factor, or just a bit more substantial, I guess, not as easy to basically dissolve in water. But maybe I'm going to try that out as well. But for the time being, I have to say that I find this interesting in a weird way, and I want to know what you think about this. Do you like this? Should I try this in a certain way? How do you eat this, if you eat it at all, or if you hate this and don't want to see this stuff ever again? I'm not sure. Maybe this is one of the things that people either love or hate. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about it yet, on which side I am, but most likely not on the hate side. Yeah, I think this is where I'm going to end this particular video. If you've got a question or a video suggestion, leave it down in the comment section below. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, feel free to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I'm going to see you soon. Until then,